Hi guys, Bateman here again with another New York AM MNQ trade recap. Probably call it something different every time I make a recap, but yeah, you know the drill. We'll go into today's trade. So, you know, on the higher time frame, very bullish. I see this daily unfilled bearish gap. Price could be drawn towards this in the coming days, so for now I'm quite bullish, as well as just general structure. You know, there's this 4 hour we've been respecting in low volume. Managed to find a way to get low volume on Alpha Trader, which is nice. This 4 hour is a gap that I like the look of, as well as on MES2. You can see very low volume. 1 hour. No real imbalance. I'm not really bothered about this inversion because I understand, you know, buys are better down here in this low volume. 30 minute. This is where my initial entry actually is. So well, I don't know why it's not properly lined up. As you can see, 30 minute. I like the look of this long, so I'll just go into this first idea. I unfortunately missed it. So we sell off during market open. We have this inversion here. So it was a previously respected gap, as we can see. We just wick it, respect it, strong close through it, changing the state. I was targeting a 2-to-1 from here. I was just too slow. It's human error. That would have been me one and done, but chances are I would have gone break even because of this 1-to-1 move as well. Because as we can see, this wick just pushes close to that 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 even. Yeah, that would have probably been a break even. That was the one I missed. Second entry, or the true entry really, not second, it's my one and only entry. You know, we come down, sell off again, react here. I do not like the look of this strong bearish move. Rightly so. Fatigued by it wasn't strong enough. I'm still targeting this 50-minute low resistance, or these relative equal highs, whatever you want to call them. I like the look of these as well as London high intact, so I'm using these as a draw. We fill this 4 hour gap. Well, we retest this 4 hour gap, creating a 1 minute SMT on the low time frame. Strong inversion out of this. Obviously it's about, I think I enter at about 3:01, 1 minute after the macro opens. Obviously we could just remanipulate this low and then rally up, but discretion tells me this really strong move up, you know, are we really that likely to come back down and retest it? Probably, but I was willing to put the risk down. Obviously a fixed 2-to-1 or 1-to-2 even. We're not betting. I mean, we are betting, but yeah, 1-to-2 risk to reward. Do not want stops all the way down here. I'm only putting one contract on, so I'm fine with putting it at just the end of this inversion. Break even at the close above this high. Takes a bit to get there, bit of chop around, but we do eventually retake this New York high. Yeah, good trade. Really glad I didn't get FOMO and revenge trader didn't even take, as in like entering here, waiting for a better setup, which we do get. This 4 hour, and like I said, this is perfect. If we just mark this black out, perfect in low volume, like really nice, as well as in discount of the leg. But yeah, really like this trade. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.